Hi, this is Mark Vruno, editor of PrintingNews.com, and I'm here now with Ian Lifshitz. He's the Sustainability Manager at Asia Pulp and Paper. Welcome, Ian.
Hi, Mark. Nice to see you.
Thanks for joining us today. Many North American companies and printers in particular may not be familiar with APP, and can you give us a little primer on who you guys are and why you're here?
Sure. Asia Pulp and Paper is the world's third largest pulp and paper manufacturer. We're actually headquartered in both Indonesia and Shanghai. We operate around 15 million tons globally and operate in about 65 countries worldwide.
Okay.
We produce just about every type of paper you can imagine in the industry today.
And tell me a little bit about your North American push, if you will.
Sure. We are strongly committed to both the Canadian and the U.S. and as well as the Brazilian marketplace today. We continue to see lots of growth within our products and our product offering in both coated paper, board, tissue, as well as specialty paper as well.
And I understand you're already a pretty large supplier to Canada?
Correct. Currently right now we hold the number 3 market position in Canada. Our goal is to be number 1 within a couple of years. We continue to expand our reach from coast to coast. We've recently gone through a hiring spree where we've brought in people from Vancouver, Quebec, Ontario, Winnipeg, etc., all the provinces to and fro, trying to create that national presence right now.
And what about in the United States? Do you have clearly defined goals here?
Sure. Currently right now in the United States we are dedicated and selling through distributor merchant industries and sectors. We work a lot through local merchants as well as converters. We currently see a lot of growth potential in the U.S. Our converter business overall in the last year has increased nearly 200%. We continue to see growth in specialty products and specialty board, recycled board, continued success in coated paper. We also see growth in specialty paper such as FDA approved paper, greaseless paper, things of that nature.
Mm-hmm. So Ian, as Sustainability Manager, can you share with us some insights regarding your environmental efforts?
Sure. Asia Pulp and Paper is has a very strong commitment towards sustainability in all the markets in which we operate. In Indonesia alone, we plant 3 trees for everyone we use for our pulping and paper industry, or our pulp and paper business. Mm-hmm. As a company, we set aside nearly half of our forested or plantation area for natural forests as well as social economic opportunities. We work with local communities where we create things like community-based farming programs. We're committed to building schools, hospitals, and all the communities in which we operate as well.
Great. And I know earlier this summer you guys hosted a tour for a small group of journalists, North American journalists, which I unfortunately was not able to go on. But can you tell me a little bit about what they saw, where they went? I understand the scale of your facility there is quite impressive.
Sure. We were fortunate enough to take a number of journalists out to see our new facility in Hainan. We brought on the world's largest paper making machine. With the size and scale of this machine is unprecedented to any other machine that we've seen in North America. When you look at total investment that APP is making in the industry right now compared to US, we haven't seen, or I personally haven't seen, significant investment in new technology in the paper industry in years, 10, 15 years or so. But in Asia, we continue to invest in new technology, where we brought on this biggest and the fastest and the quickest paper making machine in the industry. Overall, just to give you a sense of scope for that machine, to walk around the entire machine from end to end is nearly a kilometer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah, very interesting sight to see.
Well, Ian, thank you for your insights and your feedback today. Appreciate having you with us.
Great, I thank you.